Okay, all the electrical is done. I was able to just loop the wire around here. I run it down. You can see the yellow tie down in there, ran across there, run it through there, and hooked it here. This wire was hanging here, right there on that pipe, and then put another down there, tie it down. What I did to come across, put it in here, tie it down right there. Put a tie strap there in the middle, and I came up and found a hole here, pulled the wire through. Well, one of these wire looms was already coming through. So, pull that up, get them out the way, tied them here, soldered the fuse in, and I went straight to the battery. If I have any problem, then I'll go back and put it through a relay, but I don't see if it's necessary for the amount of time that I'm going to use it. So, there it is. The electrical is done. Just a matter of finishing up on my hydraulics, firing it up, and giving it a try. Okay, when we come back, hopefully we'll have the hydraulics figured out. Hi YouTube, I tightened this back here, this top bolt again, and it still got a little leak. I may have to order some brass washers and replace the washers. But here, the grapple does work. I got a leak there on the front line. I'm gonna probably take it out, put some pipe sealant on it, and that should take care of it. But it did go up and down, so that's a good sign. I'll try to take it back apart, or maybe tighten it a little tighter. But you can see it's coming right out of the cylinder there. So everything else seems to be good, seems to be working. No leaks, like I said. Finally got everything wired up. But I'll check it tomorrow when I get some more daylight, and then we'll go out and test it out once I'm 100% confident. I do regret that I had to take my grill off, but that's okay for what I gained. And we'll get out here and test this thing out when we get a chance and see. I hate I got that one leak. Probably should have put some pipe thread on it, but it has no way to hold on to it, so I'll have to find some kind of way, maybe get another half a turn or so. That should solve the problem. Okay, green thumb, green machine, it's on there, it works. Third function is active, and don't want to run too much fluid out, but we'll fire it up, try it one more time. There it is. Grapple, true third function. It works. Hey YouTube, this is just an appendix update. I found a hydraulic place, and so I went on my lunch break. That's what I wanted from the beginning, but the local people in this town didn't have that. And so he was able to put me a little union in there and let me keep my same hoses. I thought I was going to have new hoses made it. So you see how that's an ugly loop. Unfortunately, this one doesn't have a swivel here, so the whole thing turned. But I needed that length because I forgot to figure for my curl, my downward curl. And but this is what I'm gonna go get tomorrow to take care of this. Take this out. I don't like that. It works, but I need that swivel. But this holds swivel on both ends, but then it also will have a swivel that way, and so that would help me. So I'm gonna go get another foot. That increased my cost some, but that's the right thing to do to make it fit perfect. So other than that, it's a done deal. I'll get out and try to use it and see how it turns out. Okay, just an update on the little clip there. That's all we had to do.